Welcome back to these video tutorials. In this video, we're going to talk about Scenario 10, which is Google Drive and Sheets for the Google Level 1 certification exam. So for Scenario 10, we're going to organize your Google Drive into folders. We're going to create new folders called Google Certification Practice. We're going to create 2 subfolders within there. We're going to share some of these folders, and then we're going to create some docs and sheets within those folders. And then we're going to practice making a title for a sheet and then sharing the sheet with somebody. All right, so once you're in your drive, you're going to first create a folder. So you're going to go up here to this plus sign new and click it, and we're going to add a new folder. So we're going to call this folder Google Certification Practice. And then we just hit create. So now you'll notice it created this new folder for me. So I'm going to double click on it and I'll open up that practice folder. Now you'll notice there's nothing in it. That's because we haven't created or added anything yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the plus sign new while we're in this folder. And I'm going to add another folder, which is a subfolder called lessons. Again, I'm going to hit create. And you'll notice it added this folder within this subfolder within the folder here. So I'm going to add another one, and this one is called resources. So now I have 2 subfolders within the practice folder. So the next part of this task is to share the resource folder with me. So you're going to right click on that folder and go to share. And then here is where you can invite someone to share it. So you're just going to click on where it says add people, and you're going to type my email address. You can allow me to be an editor or just a viewer, you decide. You can type a message here if you want, and then you hit send. So now this folder here, this subfolder, has been shared with me. So now what we want to do is create a doc within the lesson folder. So I'm going to double click and open the lesson folder. Now it's currently empty, but I want to create a doc within here. So now that we have this open, I'm going to go here to this new, and I'm going to create a new doc. I'm going to scroll down to doc where the blue icon is and click on that. So now this doc is within that subfolder. Okay, so it says to title this doc example lesson. Now, if you type a title here, and then you come up here where it says untitled document, you always want to give it a name. That way you know how to search for it or you know how to save it as. But if you type a title right here, and then you come up here and click on where it says document, it automatically puts that title that you've typed into here. So whatever the first few words are typed on a doc, if you click up here, it automatically saves it as that same thing. All right, so we're done creating this example doc. And then it says to create a sheet within the resource folder. So we need to go back to a different subfolder. So I'm going to click here to go back to my practice folder. I have lessons and resources. So I'm going to double click on resources. And within this folder, I want to create a new sheet. So I'm going to go up here to the plus sign new. I'm going to scroll down to sheets. There's the green icon and click. All right, so we're going to title this one Sheets Practice Resources. And you could type in here, but really it's just about creating it. And then once it's ready, you just hit the X, and you'll notice that sample practice sheet is right there within the resources folder. And both of these subfolders are within the Google Certification Practice folder. Thank you for watching this video tutorial to help you through the Level 1 certification exam. If you have any questions or need any help, please reach out to me via email.